love conquered death. Why, I could stop her heart like that.
Stop her heart from beating, yes, but not from loving. Not if love is what she chooses.
Ridiculous.
Interesting. More amusing than mangoes.
No. A journey.
I will give her strength when the time is right.
I will guide the way.
Make her choose.
And I'll provide the place where two different worlds will